I am using the burnt umber and little bit of black mixing with this. After that I am mixing the sap green and a little bit of black and make it light to this shading of the watercolor. This is how it looks like, and if you like this video please do subscribe and share this video.